Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to show you how to use CD to display photos and videos. Let's get started. First, you start with CD followed by a space, and now you're in the folder, you're in a directory mode. Now you type DCIM because in most of the cases the photos and videos are stored and located in DCIM camera. So first DCIM, then camera. You will see the photos and video you take displayed in this area, which is pretty awesome. Now if you wish to share a photo to a friend, let's say the friend in WhatsApp, you long tap the photo and you type WhatsApp. Here you go, and you share it to the friends you wish to share. It's pretty awesome, right? If you like to put the directory in a folder like here, so you don't have to go to the 3D DCIM camera all the time, you can simply do this. First CD and long tap this folder, this directory, and add it to the folder. Now you can see the directory camera is displayed here with the splash. Now tap it, and you see the photos will display here, which is pretty awesome, right? Now you can use exit to exit this folder mode. So you can try again. You can continue to search all the apps and contacts. Thank you very much.